Today has been one naturific day. It kicked off with taking the tortoises out back to their outdoor pen to enjoy the warmer weather. From there, my wife and I drove up to some hot springs outside of Idaho City in the mountains to enjoy a wonderful soak in a private tub. On the way out from the hot springs, I had to capture the little meadow of dandelions because I'm quite fond of them. After getting home from the hot springs, it was time to water the container garden I have growing to feed the tortoises. Once the dogs saw I was getting the hose out, they knew they had a chance to get some fresh hose water. They were right. While I was watering the container garden, one of my family members spotted a gopher snake near the compost area. And of course, I couldn't let this opportunity to play with the gopher snake pass me by, so we got to know each other a bit. After handling the snake, it was put back in the compost area to keep feeding on the mice that like to live in the same area. What about you? What kind of nature have you gotten to enjoy recently?